Hi there. So this came directly from China, made in China, Amazon. Ordered it from Amazon and I just got it. Not this one, this one. So let's see what do we have here. Let's open the box. So we have here service manual. This is a sticker with QR code. This is of course a charging cable, and this is a lock. What is special about this lock is that you can't open it. Let's try to open it. There is no keys, no nothing, just a square on the middle. This is a square, like square metal, and that's all. So now let's try to open it. So let's put the finger. Oh, and it is opened. Okay, so I have already pre-configured my fingerprint to open it. This one will not open it. Also this one will not open it. Also this finger will not open it. But few of my fingers will open it. So actually this is a Bluetooth locker. It is called WGCC. It's from China. It has a charging port. This is the rubber that you can open. This is IP65, so it is water resistant. And you have inside the USB Galaxy type, or I don't remember which type, what is the name of the type, but this is the regular Galaxy charging port. I will put the description in my YouTube where to buy it. This was bought from Amazon. There is an application that you need to download that is called Knock Lock application. Let's find it. In a second I will find the Knock Lock application that I've already downloaded. After you set up the application, you need to scan the QR code, and with the QR code it can connect to your phone, and after connecting you can set up fingerprint according to what you would like. I think this one can install many, let's see in the manual, let's say a huge number of fingerprints. You will not need all of them. Okay, so this is the Knock Lock. I will open the application to show it. So you can configure a few locker in the same application and give a few fingerprints. It is first trying to download, and then it is connected to your phone. How many fingerprints I can install? Support up to 15. This one support up to 15 fingerprints. You need to repeat a few times with your finger till this is, by the way, by a voice. It tells you what to do, what is the next step, and it's telling you put the finger again, till it says that it is set up correct. And that's all. This is very nice lock. I will put a description in eBay and in Amazon how to buy it. The cost is cost for me about $50 US dollars, and I will test it for a few months, and then I will give my full feedback. The application, by the way, can also show you the battery condition, how many percent you do have in the battery. And let's try to connect. And also in the application you can unlock it, so if it is closed, it is now trying to connect. The battery level is 94%, and you can also touch the application itself and with the phone itself to open it if you don't want to use your fingerprint. And that's all. This is a very nice gadget. I recommend you to buy it if you need some good lock to use. And that's all. So thank you and bye bye.